Well, hey there, guys. Welcome back. Look at what I bring you guys today. I bring you another installment of our 2015 Nissan Altima. So, anyways, getting into the car here. Let's just say I've got about 4.5 hours here today that I've been working on this car. Buttoning up wiring is not fun, per se, okay? Obviously, you guys know when you initially first saw this car, everything here was pretty much gone. All these connectors were all damaged. So pretty much I had to go ahead and repin all these connectors and use the new connectors from this fuse box here. So and that's what I'm doing here. We got everything back together. Everything looks good. Just pretty much inspecting everything else. Everything looks good. Got the new fuse box in here, as you can see. But pretty much the next order of business is me coming in and replacing the engine harness. And the only other thing that I see wrong with this is right here. We've got a few wires that are broken. Right here for the socket. This goes to one of the headlights. I'm not too sure which one it goes to. Obviously, we got this ground that ties right up in the inner fender there. And we've got another, we've got another connector here that is damaged, but it shouldn't be all that hard to repair. Where is it? Hello, where are you? Oh, here we are. This right here goes to the AC pressure switch, and I'm not too sure where this one goes, but obviously you can see right here, this connector is for, I don't know, I think, I know where that goes. That goes to the horn, so, yeah, so that wire right there, this wire right here that's broke, the green and black, that goes to the horn, so, obviously you can look right here, you can see green and you got black, so, but yeah, that's where we're at with this. So, doing a little work. Some people have asked me about the white crusties on top of the transmission and all this rust. That is from the battery exploding upon impact, okay? Here's the battery right here. You can see the battery right there. See right there, it's junk. So, yeah, that is all from, those white crusties and all that rust you see in here. This is not a Northern car, so. But hey guys, I really appreciate you joining me here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video on this Altima. We'll see ya.